Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again, student, lesson 11. This is the new topic, student. Area of parallelogram and triangle. This is video part 1. Okay, student. First of all, what is area of parallelogram or a triangle? Suppose, student, here two triangles are given here. A, B, C and another triangle P, Q, R. If suppose, student, these two triangles are congruent by any criteria, the triangle A, B, C is congruent to triangle P, Q, R. Reason is angle, side, angle. By any criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Then here, student, we can say area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. That means if you want to learn this topic, you have to know very well how to congruence these two triangles. Okay, student, means any type of triangle you have to know how to congruent of these two, means any triangle. If two triangles are congruent, then student, automatically the area of triangle ABC is equal to the area of triangle PQR. Suppose here, student, area of, suppose R1 is the any region. Suppose this region is a R1 and this region is the R2. Suppose area of R1 union area of R2 is equal to, by separation we can write here area of R1 plus area of R2. That means here, student, union means the common things and the individual things both are included in R1 as well as R2. So both are separated to each other, then area of R1 plus area of R2. Okay, student, the basic things is, यदि सपोज दो ट्रायंगल को जब भी कंग्रुएंस करना हो, जब भी उस ट्रायंगल को हम कंग्रुएंस कर देंगे तो हम उसके एरिया को भी इक्वल कर देंगे. दैट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, area of parallelogram or triangle is basically depends upon the area of congruency. Its area is depends on a congruency. If it is congruence are okay, then we can say area of this any triangle is equal to area of another triangle. Okay, student, this is the basic idea about the area of parallelogram and a triangle. Let's see, student, theorem number first. Student, here, student, total theorem is area of parallelogram and triangle. The total theorem is 12. Okay, student, so discuss here theorem number first. Parallelogram on the same base, and between the same parallel are equal in area. Here, student, in case of parallelogram, two things are given: on the same base and between the same parallel. On the same base and between the same parallel. That means these two are the conditions of the parallelograms. Okay, parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel are equal in area. Here, student, look at here the figure. A, B, C, D is the one parallelogram and A, B, E, F is the another parallelogram. In these two parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel, that means FC या DE is parallel to AB. Okay. So first is the given information: two parallelogram ABCD and ABEF on the same base AB and between the same parallel AB and DE. Okay. So you have to prove area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABEF. Take here, student, two triangle AFD, triangle AFD and triangle BEC, triangle BEC. BEC. In these two triangles, AF is equal to, this side is equal to BE, AF is equal to BE, AF is equal to BE. Write down here, student, sides of parallelograms. First thing. The second thing is angle AFD. That means angle AFD, this angle, is equal to angle BEC. BEC. Region is corresponding angles. By corresponding angles, these two angles are equal. And the third thing is FD is equal to EC. FD is equal to EC. Here, student, what is the region behind means this side is equal to this side. So here, student, we can write here, first of all, write here AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC and AB is equal to FE. Under these two relations, student, AB are equal. So we can say here DC is equal to FE. Okay, that means DC is equal to FE. DC minus DE. DC minus DE is equal to FE minus DE. That means in both sides DE is subtracted. We know that DC is equal to FE, already proved here. So subtract both sides in DE. So DC minus DE is equal to EC. We can say here EC is equal to FE minus DE is equal to FD, is equal to FD. So here, student, look at here, FD is equal to EC. FD is equal to EC. So here, student, triangle AFD is congruent to triangle BEC. Region is side angle side. By side angle side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. So we can say here area of triangle AFD is equal to area of triangle BEC. Okay, now student, area of triangle ABCD. Area of not triangle, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of, this is the type of trapezium. Look at here, ABCD. Area of this triangle is equal to this plus this. So area of trapezium ABED plus area of triangle BEC. This triangle, okay? So here, student, area of, this is the type of trapezium, trapezium ABED plus this area is equivalent to area of triangle AFD. So we can write here area of triangle AFD. So look at here, student, this plus this is equal to, we can say ABEF. So area of parallelogram ABEF. So here, student, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABEF. This is your proof. Okay student, I hope you will understand theorem number first. The next theorem is, okay student, here student theorem number 5. Before discussing this theorem, student, you have to know area of parallelogram and area of rectangle. Area of parallelogram, suppose ABCD is the parallelogram and ABEF. Previous theorem student, area of parallelogram and area of rectangle on the same base and between the same parallel, the area are equal. Keep in your mind student. Okay, suppose ABCD is the parallelogram and ABEF is the rectangle. On the same base and between the same parallel, the area are equal. So we can say area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of rectangle ABEF. By the same logic, theorem number first. Okay student, let's see theorem number 5. A diagonals of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of a equal area. That means a diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two equal areas. Suppose student, ABCD is the parallelogram and AC is the diagonal. This diagonal divides the parallelogram in two equal area. Okay, TP, to prove area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ADC. That means ABC is equal to ADC. So take a student, here two triangle, same concept. First of all, you make the congruency in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. In these two triangles, AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC, sides of parallelogram. We know that the sides of parallelogram are equal. Second one is BC is equal to AD, again sides of parallelogram. And the third thing is AC is equal to AC, common. AC is equal to AC, common. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Region is SSS. By SSS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. So we can say here area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ADC. That means these two areas are equal. This is your proof. Okay student, here student, we have two different conclusion. What is the conclusion here? Suppose student, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of another triangle ADC. So here student, write down area of triangle ABC plus, this can be written as area of triangle ABC. So write down here area of triangle ABC. So area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to 2 times of area of triangle ABC. So here student, we have a different conclusion. Area of any triangle, that means ABC, yeah, area of another triangle, what? ADC is equal to 1 by 2 area of parallelogram ABCD. So here student, this result can be used by direct. Okay, if suppose any parallelogram is given here and you have to write the area of any one triangle, so we can write area of any one triangle is equal to 1 by 2 area of parallelogram. Area of another triangle is also equal to 1 by 2 of area of parallelogram. Okay student, this is the direct result. Okay student, I hope you will understand question number 5. Theorem number 5. The next theorem is theorem number 6. Okay student, triangles on the same base, means two triangles are given here. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallel are equal in area. Here student, triangle ABC and DBC, two triangles on the same base between the same parallel, then area are. So here student, given information, two triangle ABC and DBC on the same base and between the same parallel AD and BC. TP, to prove area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. That means triangle on the same base and between the same parallel are equal in area. By construction here student, CF is parallel to BD and D and join AD to F, and BE is parallel to AC, means this line is parallel to this line, and AD produced to at point E. Okay, by construction. So here student, BC means this line. BC is parallel to whole line, but we can write here DF. BC is parallel to DF, comma BD is parallel to CF. So we can say BCFD is the parallelogram. Again student, BC is parallel to EA, comma BE is parallel to AC by construction. So we can say BCAE is the parallelogram. Okay student, we know that two parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel area are equal according to theorem number first. So we can write here two parallelograms on the same base between the same parallels area are equal. Okay student, so we can say area of parallelogram BCFD, area of parallelogram BCFD is equal to area of parallelogram BCAE. Okay student, so area of parallelogram this one is equal to area of parallelogram this one. So here student, BCFD is the parallelogram and CD is the diagonal. We know that diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two equal parts in a area. Theorem number 5. So we can write here area of parallelogram BCFD, area of parallelogram BCFD is equal to 1 by 2 area of any one triangle. So we can write here DBC. area of triangle DBC. Second one, student, area of parallelogram BCAE. ADAB is the diagonal. So diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two equal area. So we can say 1/2 area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So here, student, these two areas are equal. According to this, these two areas are equal. So we can say these two are also equal. By this, so write down here, area of parallelogram BCFD is equal to area of parallelogram BCAE. So 1/2 area of triangle DBC is equal to 1/2 area of triangle ABC. So 1/2 is cancelled. So we can write here area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. This is your proof. Okay, student, I hope you will understand question theorem number 6. So student, your homework is make theorem 1 to 6 and do fair. Make theorem 1 to 6 and do fair. If you have any problem, if you have any query, ask the question. Okay, student, thank you.